Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Devins and I am the Marketing Manager at Averse Insurance. If you're following us on social media or if you're subscribed to our newsletter, you may have already heard that we recently launched our online client portal. So today I'm going to be walking you through this portal and showing you how to create an account and how to navigate the website. This video features the website for our commercial or business clients, so if you have a personal insurance policy, there is a separate video for you, as the personal insurance portal has slightly different functionalities to it. So firstly, you can access the portal directly from our website using the orange login button on the top of the right of your screen. So once you click that, you'll be brought to the section of the portal where you can either log in or create an account. If you don't have an account yet and you'd like to set one up, just hit the Create an Account button right here. Once this page loads, you'll have a couple options. If you have your policy information readily available, you can type all the information in and your account will be created in less than a minute. If you don't have your policy number, or if you'd prefer that we set up your account for you and send your login information to your email, you can just type in your first name, last name, and email address and click the I don't have this information request access button on the bottom of the screen, and one of us will be in contact with you shortly with your login information. So I'll just type it in here. Then hit I don't have this information, request access, which will alert us to create an account for you. This request is submitted to whoever the customer service representative is on your file, so they'll be in contact with you with all of your information. So once you actually have your login information, you can go right to the login page here and just type in your username and password. So once you log in, you'll be brought to this page here where you have several options, and it just depends on what you're on the website for. So from this page here, you can issue a certificate, you can view your policies, you can get an auto ID card or see your auto ID cards, and you can access whichever documents we've given you access to. So before you even log in or before you even create an account, we've already given you access to your policy documents. If you don't see them here, then I would just give us a call using the number provided. If you'd like to access this website on your mobile device and you have a QR code scanner on your phone, you can get that as a free app on the App Store, you can just scan the QR code here and you'll be brought to the mobile website where you can access all these same documents just on your phone. Our Facebook page is here. Your main contacts are here, and you have some more options down on the side as well. So if you make your payments directly to Averse, then you could click Make a Payment here. If you don't have any payments due on your account, or if you pay the carrier directly, then you won't see any transactions are found here. If you believe that you should have a transaction here and you'd like to pay online, then you could just give us a call, or you can contact your customer service representative on the bottom left of your screen. You can access your information on the side here using the My Information tab. There's a few different options here. You can click View My Information, and this will bring you to all the basic information for your company, so just the contact information will be here. If you see that this information isn't correct in one way or another, you can request to change your information here. This will be submitted to the main contact on your account, and they'll be in contact with you shortly. If you'd like to change your policy information, you'll be brought to this page and you can select whichever policy you'd like to change. Down here, you can submit whichever changes you'd like to make, and this will go to whatever your agency contact is. So then once you've completed this request, you can just hit Submit at the bottom. If you'd like to change the password for your online client portal, you can just do so here. If you'd like to issue a certificate of insurance, you can click Manage Certificates on the side here, or on the home page, we have an icon for it. So you can quickly just hit Issue a Certificate and input all the information that you need right here. Once you hit Request Certificate, then it will be sent to the main contact on your account, and we'll be able to set that up for you. Under Manage Certificates, you have multiple options. You can reprint a certificate that has already been sent, and you'll see here that we haven't sent any from our account yet, so none will show up here. If you want to request a certificate, then you'll be brought to the same page that you were previously when you were at the home page. If you want to update your holder information, you can do so here. As you can see, again, we don't have any on our own, so you can just hit Add Holder here. And from here, you can change the information or add a holder. The holder is whoever will be receiving the certificate of insurance. For a certificate holder spreadsheet, so you can easily access all the holders that you have on your account, you can just click here, and from there, you'll receive a download. This is an Excel file that shows all of the holders that are on your account. And we don't have any at the moment, but if you had any, then they would show up here. And finally, if you're unsure as to how you should issue a certificate, then you can just click here, and another document will download here, and which you can click on. So you can see a document that brings you through a step-by-step process of how to issue a certificate of insurance. And again, if you have any questions at all, you can just give us a call at 610-335-1139, and we can either walk you through the process or just issue it for you if you're in a time crunch. Next, if you want to manage your vehicles, you just hit Manage Vehicles there. If you wanted to request to add a new vehicle to your policy, then you would just click on the Request to Add a Vehicle button. You'll have to input all this information here. Anything that's required has an asterisk. And as you can see, there's a lot of optional information down here. We mainly just need this information in order to add it to your policy. And if we have any questions, we'll reach out to you. Once you hit Submit, again, it'll go to the main contact on your policy. If you want to change a vehicle, and you have vehicles on your account, you'd be able to do so from this page here. If you'd like to remove a vehicle from your policy, you can again access all of your vehicles that are on your account from this page, and if you'd like to remove it, you can click on it and then request to remove it. We have another spreadsheet here. It's a vehicle spreadsheet. And as you can see, this downloads an Excel file. And again, all of your vehicles will show up here in spreadsheet form. If you have a commercial auto policy and you'd like to manage the drivers on your account, then you would do so by clicking Manage Drivers. Here you can request to add a driver, request to change a driver, request to remove a driver, or access a driver spreadsheet. All the driver information that is needed is here, and if you need any additional information, you can just type it in using this box and hit Submit. For all of these submissions, we'll be in contact with you within the next business day. So if you need to request to change a driver, you just hit Request to change a driver. And if any drivers are on your account, you'd be able to access them here, click on one, and change any information that you need. You can remove a driver here and access a driver spreadsheet. You can open it, and from here you can easily access information for all of your drivers. If you notice that any of this information is incorrect, you can always contact us as well. If you wanted to manage a location on your account, you have these 4 options. So if you wanted to add a location, you would need the location address. So that includes city, zip code. If you have a line or mortgage holder, then you would include that here. Effective date of change, you'd include there. And if you have any additional information you'd like us to know, then you would just put that in the box here and hit Submit when you're done. To change a location, you would click on whichever location you need to change and edit your information in the boxes provided, and then hits the Submit button at the bottom. If you need to remove a location, you can click on the corresponding tab, click on the location you'd like to remove, and submit your request. And again, if you'd like a spreadsheet that shows all the locations that are on your account, an Excel file will download on your computer. Finally, if you'd like to report a claim on your account, you can click Report a Claim. There's several options here. You can view the claims that you currently have open, and from this you'll be able to access the loss date, the claim number, and a description of your claim. If you'd like to view any claims that are open or closed, you can click View My Claims. and you'll be able to access a description of all of your claims. And you can see here that there is a closed section, so you can see the date that the claim was closed. If you'd like to report different types of claims, then you can do so on the Report a Claim under View My Claims. And as you can see, there's a few different types of claims that you can report. If you'd like to report a business auto claim, then you'd be able to do so by clicking on the Report a Business Auto Claim section. You'd need to select a vehicle from your policy and then enter the details of your claim. To report a general liability claim, you click on the corresponding tab, and you click on the policy number that you need to report a claim on, and then enter all the information. You need the date that the incident occurred. You can see that it's required here because of the asterisks. Location of the incident, description of the incident, who was injured, property that was damaged, any witnesses. If you have any relevant files, such as a photograph, you'd be able to choose the file here. And if you have any information that you'd like to add, you just put additional information, then click Submit. To report a property loss or claim, all of your locations that are on your policy will show up here, and you can click on it and enter the information as needed. To report any other loss or claim, you can click right here, access the corresponding policy, and enter all the information. This is a good option if you're not sure how to categorize your claim. And of course, as always, you can input any additional information that you need here and hit Submit. Of course, from your home screen, you can also access this information. You can view your policies. If there are any documents associated with your account, then we would have already assigned that to you, and you'd be able to click Documents and download any documents that you have on there. From the home page, you can also issue an auto ID card just by clicking the Auto ID card button, clicking on the corresponding vehicle, and then you can create an auto ID card and send it wherever you need. Also from the home page, you can access all of your documents that you have, which we will assign to you before you create your account. And you'll find a document list. I would recommend always putting View All instead of just the last 30 days, so that you can see all of the documents that we've ever attached. Alright, so that's a quick overview of our new client portal. Of course, if you have any questions, you can feel free to contact us using our phone number or the email address of the main contact on your account. Thank you so much and have a great day.